clever and knowledgeable people are immortals. They will be die, but according to reality, their names will remain for eternity because they have written down their names on the history by their good actions. So the question is, what did we get and what is the best to make our children to be like them? I know nowadays we are living in too many different hard psychological pressures, but in this kind of situation we have to be aware when we deal with our children, because children are the main factor to build up the country. If you don't have a good and healthy children, it means that we have no future. Okay, so we have to be careful. I know sometimes when we deal with our children, with our, we can say, community, we will face a lot of hardest, we can say, crisis, obstacles. But let's go back to our forefathers' life. Look, they had nothing, okay? They had no money, they had no life. But beside all of these things, they did their best to raise up their children, their families, and they did whatever they wanted at the time, whatever they could, just because of one thing, to make their family not to die from starving. So just make a comparison between these two items. But nowadays, if we don't have, like, we can say, a good background, we can say a good thing, we're saying, no, we're useless. No, we shouldn't stop. Life does not depend on those who are saying we are done and we will give up. No, this is not the solution. But the solution is we should be, we can say, continue on this way. We all know that we are facing a lot of hardest, we can say, obstacles, but it doesn't mean that we are a loser. No, we should be continue on this way. Chance will come, but nobody knows that when does it come. But when it comes, it will come. Okay, so we have to be aware, and we have to know that life is different. It does not depend on me and you and all of us, but it goes on. So in this kind of situation, we should be aware of this. Okay, and this is my first lesson. Inshallah, you will have more and more and more and more. Every day we will have a, we can say, great topic. But today I just wanted to tell you about the, we can say, those philosophers, those, we can say, famous people, when they did their own, we can say, best, just for one thing, to, we can say, remain their names for eternity, just because of their good actions. We have a lot of scientists, lots of, we can say, knowledgeable people in the past. So here we can ask ourselves, there are we can say a lot of questions for all of us not to surrender. Okay, so we have to continue on this way. Life does not stop, not for me and you and all of us, but it goes on. So I want you to have a good, we can say, knowledge, and I want you to deal with your children and make them to raise up their, we can say, future, and make them to be like those philosophers, those, we can say, scientists, when they did their best. They were a human. They were a human being, the same as all of us. They had nothing that we can say different than we don't have right now. No, we all are, we can say, equal. But it depends on what? It depends on trying. It depends on, like, we can say, not to give up, not stop, okay? Not stopping, not staying at home. So this is the biggest way for all of us. Thank you so much.